That's quite a good toy, though, isn't it?
That could use a good.
Yeah.
Nice and juicy.
There we are. Well, there's a good selection of food here. Yeah. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Just turkey, please.
Yorkshire.
No Yorkshire.
You know, king size is
No,
standard.
normal, yeah.
Really nice. Nice colours. Yeah.
In the wind, yeah.
You want to wait for the lady to go first after getting the
Of course.
picture with the influencer? Let the lady go first after can do the
Okay.
video,
Yeah.
please.
You're going to smile.
Yes, please, always.
You're going to smile. You've got
No,
to smile.
Yeah, Yorkshire.
Yorkshire, please. Can I have a little bit of each, please?
Thank you. Doing king size is
No,
standard.
I'll stand with it. Okay, yeah. There's some nice colours of foods, the meats. Lovely. Right, thank you. Brilliant.
Yes, please.
King size?
Yeah, woman's right.
Pork and beef.
Pork and beef. Thank you, sir. How many Yorkshires should I like?
One.
That's right.
Yep.
Thank you. You like sausages with that?
That's fine.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, please, sir.
Could I have the beef, please?
You like Yorkshire?
Would be.
One. Do you know king size meal or standard?
Standard.
Thank you, sir.
And a boiled beef, I think. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Good.
Thank you, sir. Now.
Yeah.
I'll have the gammon and the turkey.
Yorkshire?
One.
Do you know king size or standard?
You can take what's trying.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go. Sure. Thank you for
Yeah, that's
What's the job?
that's the one. Yeah, it's it.
Oh, no. Well, I don't. My mum forgot it.